बीबीसी ने निर्भया रेप केस पर डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाई है जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में टीवी पे आने से बैन कर दिया है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
If they are banning something, they have to come out in the public and they have to tell us what exactly is the reason they're doing it for. This documentary should, I think, should be released in the theatre and should be shown to the people because it's very important for the people to come out and see what exactly is the mindset of the rapist and what exactly are we doing.
It is a very touching scene and everyone knows what the consequences were and are and what will be. So basically there is nothing to be shown as such. So the documentary should not be shown but the case should not be abandoned.
No, not at all. I mean, people should be aware about such things. And if you make a documentary, come to know about the life of that girl, what has happened. So, I mean, it's really important. They should not ban such a video.
Don't ban anything. Banning is not the solution. We need freedom of speech and expression. In fact, it's good because all the men in India should watch this documentary. But all the men in the world should also watch it so that they understand. It's not just in India that something like this has happened.
They are helpless or they don't want to take up a stance and they just ban things. That's what our government does always.
I think the Indian government is just too scared about the reality and everyone wants to hide everything. We have this culture and they want to preserve that culture, but they don't want to show what really happens behind the culture.
Documentary just had a different look to it, as in it was absolutely different. I didn't know those guys. They were so real. It was so jittering and it was almost very tearful. I cried.
ये कांड जब दूसरे देशों में ये डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज के थ्रू जब जा रहे हैं तो हमारी छवि गिर रही है. इस तरह से किसी लड़की का रेप होता है और वो बंदा ऐसे मतलब बाइट दे रहा है कि यार मुझे कोई डर नहीं है, कोई लड़की आएगी रात को तो बॉस मैं तो ये करूँगा. तो इससे क्या हो रहा है कि दूसरे देशों में हम प्रेजेंट करते हैं कि हमारा देश, हाँ इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया, इतना इतना अच्छी चीज़ें, हमारा कल्चर ये है वो है, और जब हम ऐसी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं तो यार हम तो सबसे पीछे ही है ना. फिर
From what I understand, they still believe that was the woman's fault that she got into that situation. And I think Indians are embarrassed by that, and that's why they're banning it.
But I think they should let people see it and then decide on public opinion what they need to do. They can't just ban things before people see it. The fact that they banned it makes me curious as to what's going on.
I'm pretty sure it's because they know somewhere they're faltering. And if it comes on TV, the public will start agitating again.
So you just heard what people have to say about it, but I want to know what you think about it. So don't forget to comment below. This is Shania signing off.